Sound Transit has a great opportunity right now. They're the largest transit expansion in the country.
The Sound Transit mode of transportation is really the future.
And the impact that they have on people's life is generational.
And for me, I keep leaning further and further in just because I am so committed to the agency's mission.
That level of collaboration that we get to be involved with is really what is exciting about working with Sound Transit.
They kept giving us a chance, which as a small company sometimes when you deal with big projects like this, you need that. There's no way how we could have grown from where we are, 11 people to 80 now, without a client like Sound Transit.
Because the projects are so large and such a long duration, it's been able to provide us with some longevity.
Because of our history, we've been able to take that history into new markets. And without that cornerstone at Sound Transit, it never would have happened.
As a prime contractor in a Sound Transit program, we're always looking for opportunities where we can bring in new subcontractors to help us be successful on a Sound Transit project.
Make yourself known to the Sound Transit officials and then ask the questions.
We do work throughout the United States, and I can honestly say this is Sound Transit is unique. It's an atmosphere that they've created that you can sense they really want to make a difference.
Sound Transit is family for us. This expansion is going to take and require more people, bringing more people and educating and growing people in this region so that we can pull this thing off.